Hello guys, I am Sara and I'm 19 years old and a first year student at NHL Stenden. And today I wanted to take you guys with me in a day of my life because it is very exciting and very full since I am a first year student and I have a lot of assignments and portfolios. The first thing that I did and that I do every morning is go to the gym because I know that I do not have time in the rest of the day, and also I usually have work and school. And because it is the end of this period, we were actually very full this week with finishing our portfolios and our country presentations. So I wanted to finish gym first. I just wanted to show you guys how beautiful the view from Student Stay is. And after I ate, I prepared directly to go to school because it is a very tight schedule and I needed to finish the country presentation until 5 so that I could go to work also. I got to school and started working with my teammates on our country cultural analysis and the script for a 3-minute video in which we had to explain briefly everything that we have to put on the project. We needed to rent a room to record the presentation, so that's what we did. But before filming, we took a little walk through the school cafeteria to grab some snacks because we were actually very, very hungry. We got to the room, which was beyond our expectations. It looked very professional and we were actually able to correlate the room with the concept of the script. The video is about a teacher talking and explaining to his students different cultural dimensions, but also the importance of history and political background to a country's identity. After we finished filming, I headed straight to work because I did not want to miss the bus. Traveling with the ferry is my favorite part about my job because I get to see this beautiful view almost every week. I had just arrived at work and today I'm cleaning, but I work at a student agency, so I have different jobs every day in which I can organize things, clean things, work in a bakery, drive even, and different kind of jobs that acquire you to be present when you have time, not by a strict program. So that's very nice and it's very easy. I finished work at 8. When I arrived back in Leeuwarden, I took a little walk through the city center. And after this full day, I decided to end this schedule by cooking at my friend's house and playing some video games. Thank you guys so much for watching. I am just going to bed right now. I'm at the Students' Day. And I hope you have enjoyed this as much as I did. And I also hope to see you at NHL Stenden. Bye-bye!